Okay, so we're all done. The roof's back on, and yeah, so all the anti-cons in place and that. I painted over the Sikaflex that was on here, so those joins were Sikaflexed up to start with, and instead of using a cap, so I couldn't do much about that but just re-Sikaflex them. So, but at least I painted them this time, and the paint will just help give the Sikaflex a bit more UV rating. Anyway, and so the whole roof's back down, and painted over all of these, obviously, and I even painted that little bit that was down there. We cleaned all the gutters out, so all the gutters are clean. We picked up all the screws from around in the gutters because the previous roofer didn't get rid of all the screws, and yeah, so now the valleys are all clean, the gutters are clean, and we're out of here.